Hello. So today we are talking about time, and me being a cognitive scientist, I want to talk about how the brain does time. So this is actually a really big mystery. For a long time, scientists had this idea that we had some sort of internal mental clock. Turns out that's probably not how our brain does it, just something just counting and ticking along. But I'm going to share with you guys some really interesting results and studies and some cool stuff that does point to how our brain does tell time. So first thing I want to do, I'm going to give you guys a little scenario, okay? So your boss emails asking to move your meeting next Wednesday 2 days forward. The question is, which day is your meeting now? So I want everybody just think about this, and then on 3, I want you to just yell
as well,
it
right?
out. Everybody,
Okay.
Everybody just yell it out on 3, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Monday. Some people said Friday. You're wrong. Just so you know.
So I did hear a Friday. What did somebody give a different answer? Monday. All right. So did anyone say anything else?
Any other?
All right.
We will shame you. So. You said Friday. Okay.
Okay, we're proud of you.
What did you say, Alex?
I said Monday.
You said Monday.
Yeah. So people are typically actually totally split on this Monday or Friday. First of all, there's 2 things that this does illustrate. One, that we have a subjective experience of what time is, right? Some people think time is coming towards them, or that they are moving into time, right? And they have a totally different interpretation of what forward in time means, right? The second thing is what Dr. Dean Bonomono would say is the spatialization of time. That when we think about time, it's really in context of space. So I want to illustrate this. We're going to do something really fun. I need you, Alex, for this. So this is how people localize things in space is literally by using time. So what will happen is that a sound will hit your ear. So if it's coming from the right, it'll hit your ear on the right first, and then it'll hit your ear on the left. And you literally calculate the difference between that to localize something in space. So let's actually put this in practice. Hold this.
I already have him. Whatever. Yeah.
All right.
Should I take my jacket off?
Oh, you're going to have to... Oh, I forgot a blindfold, but you're just going to have to close your eyes.
Okay. Fuck.
Oh,
I get
goodness.
blindfolded every time I'm on Dynasty Typewriter stage.
That is true. Last time you got blindfolded up here. Oh.
All right, so come in the middle and just close your eyes. And I'm going to need some audience help to shoot Alex.
What is this test? What is it? This has nothing to do with sound. You're shooting with it. I mean, it's not me, so I don't actually give a shit. Never mind.
Dylan, have you seen Daredevil?
So who will help me? All right, well, we got some hands.
So many hands are up right now. So many people want to shoot you. Me?
All right, we're going to do one from the left.
Okay.
Don't look.
Okay.
One from the middle. Ooh, that one hurts. And then we'll do you, sir.
Okay.
All right. So Alex, you can only move to the left or right or duck. Okay. Those are the only options you have.
All right.
And so you just have to
And cock your weapons, please. So using sound localization, whether it's coming from the left or the right.
Wait, but don't all shoot me at once.
Don't all shoot at the same time.
Like, work it out amongst yourselves.
No, should we just do like maybe move your arm, like do like that for the first fire.
I'm gonna point and pick the shot. Okay. All right. Ready?
Yes.
We're gonna go. Wait, you just went. I wasn't ready.
You missed, dude.
Say, all right.
You gotta
You
take
missed.
some hints, buddy.
Which way did that come from? Left or right?
This way.
Left or right? All right. You got that. All right.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do a different one. Okay. On 3. 1, 2.
You look ridiculous.
I feel ridiculous.
3. All right. He didn't even shoot anything, but you picked correctly. This is interoral time differences at work. All right. Last one. Where could this be coming from? 1, 2. Good job. All right.
Hey, remember Alex, everybody.
Interoral time differences at work.
Where did I put it? It's right here.
Okay. All right. So again, we are literally in his brain. What's happening is they're calculating a time difference that maps onto space. Okay. So to show this in a little bit more about how tightly knit time and space are, I'm going to go and show a video. And so I want you guys to look at this. So could you bring down the lights a little bit? And I'm going to be showing you 3 dots. And these dots, I want you to focus. There's going to be 3 dots in a line. I want you to focus whether the left dot or the right dot is farther away from the middle dot. Okay? So if you think the left dot is farther away from the middle dot, raise your hand. If you think the right dot is farther away from the middle dot, raise your hand. Okay. If you think they're all the same, raise your hand. All right, so we had most people said the middle dot, they're all the same. Some people said left, some people said the right. So in fact, they are all the same. And the only thing that's different here is actually time is changing in between, right? By changing the intervals of when I'm presenting these dots, you can actually change people's perception of space, right? Again, trying to make the point that time and space are really interconnected. So the question then leaves us is like, why do we do this in such a imprecise manner? Well, the answer is really, I'm gonna try something on you, Dylan.
Oh, no.
Okay, so we threw shit at Alex first, so I'm gonna throw shit at you. Actually, I'm gonna put.
I really thought I was gonna get scot-free on this one. All right.
Okay. So
I have a fractured hand. Is that? I have a maybe fractured hand.
don't use it.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just gonna throw this at you. You're not gonna be hurt even if you can get back to me. So I'm gonna throw this as fast as I can at you. Okay? It's not gonna hurt even if I do hit you. Okay?
Do I have to dodge it?
No, you're gonna catch it.
What does that have to do with time?
This is the answer is why we want to keep track of time even if we do it imprecisely. Okay. Ready? All right.
That's very sweet of you. And not pitch it at my face.
So that was an exercise in prediction, right? The whole reason we calculate time is not because we care about time at all. It's because we care what's related to time, right? We want to be able to untether ourselves from the here and now to be able to know what's going to happen in the future, right? We want to be able to know how to catch a ball. We want to be able to know what is the best school we want to pick in the future, what investments to pick. And really, being able to predict is what makes us human. Thank you.
Oh,